Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Veterans have earned a range of benefits through their dedicated service, and filing a VA claim is the gateway to accessing them. Whether it's for disability compensation, healthcare, or education, understanding the process is absolutely key. We're here to guide you through each step, making what can appear daunting much simpler. Let's ensure you receive the full support you deserve, starting right now. Before you even begin filling out forms, gathering comprehensive evidence is crucial for your claim's success. This includes your military service records, medical documents from both your time in service and civilian life, and any buddy statements or personal testimonies. These documents are vital for establishing a clear connection between your current condition and your service, significantly strengthening your case for benefits. Take your time with this important step. The VA offers several types of claims, and choosing the right one is essential. An original claim is for a new condition, while a supplemental claim addresses issues previously denied. If your condition has worsened, you might file for an increased rating. You can also submit claims online via VA, Gov, by mail, or with the help of an accredited representative. Understanding these options saves you time and ensures accuracy. Once your documents are ready and you've chosen your claim type, it's time to submit. The VA-Gov website provides a user-friendly platform for electronic submission, often leading to faster processing times. If you prefer, mailing your completed forms is also an option, but always send certified mail. Make sure to review everything thoroughly for accuracy and completeness before hitting that submit button. This careful step prevents many common errors. After submitting your claim, the journey isn't quite over. It's crucial to regularly check its status online through the VA Gov portal. This keeps you informed about any updates or requests. You might be asked to provide additional information or attend C&P exams, which are compensation and pension examinations. Respond promptly to these requests to keep your claim moving forward. Remember, dedicated representatives are also available to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.